Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm just going to go through and clean my kitchen. We went ahead and made breakfast. It's about lunchtime now, so I'm just going to go through and clean up things from breakfast, wipe down my counters, do the dishes, sweep them off the floor, things like that. So if you guys want to see how I just go through and, clean my kitchen just to keep it clean every day, then just keep watching. But before we jump into the video, if you're new here, then welcome. Don't forget to subscribe down below before you leave. And let's get on into the video.